Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the leveler kit to be used with the WeatherGuard headache rack to level out that mounting surface for your crossover boxes. Let's get into it. Okay, this is just a nice little accessory for when you want to use a WeatherGuard headache rack in conjunction with a crossover box, and it basically gives you a nice level mounting surface for your toolbox, so that it's not kind of mounted crooked because of the mounting feet on the headache rack itself. So pretty simple unboxing right here. Looks like we have some little Velcro-ish strips right here. I'm not entirely sure what they are used for, but you get 4 of them. And then you're gonna get 2 plates like this. Now let's see, does this give us any install instructions? Yes. So, even though this is a small, simple product, we are going to get install instructions, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to install it. We're going to be installing it on our headache rack toolbox, if you will. And it looks like the way that this works is the top of the crossover box is going to be mounted over one of the mounting feet on the headache rack. There's going to be a portion of that box that's going to be overhanging a little bit, and this is meant to level it out. And you do get some of these components to attach that way. Those look like these, this would be kind of a, I think this has a self-adhesive on the back of it. You're gonna attach this underneath the wing of that crossover box, if you will. And then you're gonna have a Velcro surface right here. And then it's gonna mount to these on either side. So this is what you need for one toolbox on the, to use it with the headache rack. So nice accessory to keep that toolbox nice and level, keep it from looking too wonky once you use that with the headache rack. So nice little accessory in addition from WeatherGuard here. Again, you get this full manual as well. This is gonna be covered by their lifetime warranty as well. So great product here from WeatherGuard. Now, if you're looking for these brackets, any of the other accessories for their headache racks, their toolboxes, anything else from WeatherGuard that you could possibly need, we've got it at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.